Princess, how do you get anything I don't like that?
Listen, I know you don't like surprises, but I've got something for you.
I have something on the fire.
It can't wait. Listen to me. What I have for you, it's a huge surprise. Now, look at this. My love. Will you marry me?
Excuse me.
Please, don't say no, sorry. Don't say no. Will you marry me?
Will I marry you? Come on, my princess, stop now. In Abodo and Islam, I should be the one doing this, not the other way around.
It doesn't matter. Listen to me. I just want you to say yes, you marry me. Every other thing will be settled, okay? Do you know I'm a princess? That marrying me will automatically make you royalty. And you stand a rare chance of becoming the next king of this kingdom. Do you know? Come on.
Like I said, I have food on the fire. Please, the king is waiting for me.
It can wait. Stop being timid. Benji, do you realize that marrying me will automatically make you a royalty? You even get the chance of becoming the next king of this kingdom, which is a rare opportunity.
Hey, Zioki.
Do you know what you're
where I come from? Why I done? Okay. Are you getting me?
It doesn't.
Like I said, I have food on the fire. Your ring can wait.
Benji, it doesn't matter.
Please, my princess, come out. We go.
Is this guy for real?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.